At RideSpin, we don't just ride. We break down every gear, analyze every engine spec, and test every performance claim. From the finest chrome on a luxury cruiser to the lightest carbon fiber on a high-speed superbike, we leave no bolt unturned. If it matters to you, it matters to us. We put you in the saddle. Forget the showroom floor, we test these machines where they belong. How does it handle daily city traffic? How comfortable is it on a 500-kilometer long tour? We deliver the real road experience, the wind, the speed, the pure thrill of the ride. And there's always more. Join our community for buyer's guides, in-depth maintenance tips, and weekly live Q&A sessions where we answer your burning questions. If it has an engine, we cover it. We are the ultimate hub for all things two wheels. New videos daily. If you're a serious biker, a curious newcomer, or just driven by the passion of two wheels, then subscribe now. Hit the bell. Don't miss a single ride. RideSpin, your ride. Your review.